In this video, we will show you how to install WordPress on Hostinger. It is a straightforward and clearly described in the video, so follow all the steps. But before we dive into all of it, make sure you hit the subscribe button below and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. So let's begin. Now we go here in Hostinger tutorials on how to install WordPress with auto installer. Alright, because they recommend looking for WordPress hosting instead of the shared hosting. And if you are sure to use the CMS, alright? Because some hosting providers, including Hostinger, offer a quick and easy installation method using an auto installer. Alright, now, of course, they have the WordPress plans. For example, it's specifically optimized for this content management and let you complete the installation in just a few clicks. So all you're gonna do is follow the on-screen instructions, and all of the Hostinger plans come with a 30-day money-back guarantee, allowing you to test them out. You know, it's risk-free. And here's how to use Hostinger's auto installer. All right, all you're gonna do is log into your web hosting account and click websites on the main menu right here. Click on that and click on manage. Now, on your cpanel dashboard, locate the auto installer button under the website section right here. Now, click on that, click auto installer. Now, under auto installer, down below, click on WordPress, all right? And of course, you need to click on select. Fill out the install WordPress form. Create a WordPress website title. Say, for example, the administrator username, password, and email are for the WordPress login. They do not need to be the same as the web hosting login information. So make sure to choose a strong password to prevent security breaches. Now choose your preferred language and application version. Select the always update to latest available version option for automatic updates. After filling out the necessary information, hit the install button, and Hostinger will show installed applications. All you're gonna do is click on the three dots next to your WordPress URL, and of course you need to select manage to go to my WordPress dashboard. Okay, so around here, click on the three dots on the upper right, and of course you're gonna click on manage. All right, and if you're still following, around here, all I'm gonna do in the dashboard option, you need to click on edit website right here. See that? Click on that, and then you should be able to create and update your website with WordPress admin. All right. Also, another way to access the WordPress admin dashboard is by clicking the overview button near the WordPress on cpanel right here. Okay. Now, if any one of you is using Softaculous, here's another quick and easy way to install WordPress using Softaculous. All right, it's also a popular auto installer for cpanel. Now, what you need to do is simply log into your web hosting control panel and access your cpanel right here. Right now, after doing so, because a cpanel here is the most advanced web hosting control panel in the industry. So a colleague of mine is using it because it has tons of features and it's easy to use. It has interactive help, video tutorials will help you understand why cpanel is the best, and you'll never want to switch to anything else. All right. Once again, if you want to learn more about cpanel, please check the cpanel documentation. Now, all you're gonna do is head over to Softaculous apps and click WordPress right here. Now, if you locate the WordPress, click the install now button here. And after doing so, make sure to fill in your site name, site description, admin username, password, email, and choose your preferred language. All right. Now, this form also provides additional options to help you get your WordPress site started. So there's a select plugins option right here, including the limit login attempts, classic editor, and install Lightspeed cache right here for your sites. And click on show all themes to search for it in the directory right here in the middle, show all themes. Now, to get all of your installation details, fill out the email installation, all right, to the field. And once you finish filling out the form, all you're gonna do right here at the very bottom, click install, right? Now, what will happen is, to access the installed WordPress admin, click on the WP icon under the current installations, which is this one right here down below, right? And you can also have the option to install WordPress manually. Whether the previous options do not work, the hosting provider does not have an auto installer feature, or you simply prefer to do it by yourself, it's possible to manually install WordPress, alright? Now, in such cases that you are, having problems installing WordPress on Hostinger, like I did in the past, what you need to do is, say for example here, there's like a chatbot assistant. All you're gonna do is contact these support, and they'll be more than glad to assist you and provide you more information about how to install WordPress and Hostinger. All right, they will be more than glad to assist you. And that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and once again, we will see you all in our next video.